Hello everyone and namaste. Welcome to my channel Cooking with Siru. My name is Siru. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos, share it, you can comment it as well, and as well as don't forget to hit the bell icon. So today I'm going to make garlic cheese bread sticks. So let's start. Here I have the ingredients: 2 slices of bread, white bread, and 2 big tablespoons of butter, and half of cup of cheese, mozzarella cheese, and 2 cloves of garlic, and some coriander, and then chili flakes. So let's start. First, I'm going to grate it clove of garlic here, like this. Okay, and the other one. Okay, so now I'm going to chop coriander, finely chopped it in small pieces, finely chopped. Or you can use parsley as well. And now I'm going to use coriander. Okay, so I'm going to put this coriander here in the butter, and now I'm going to add some chili flakes. So some chili flakes. Half of teaspoon chili flakes, and mix it well like this. I'm going to spread this butter on the bread. Thinly. Like this, and then going to spread in on the slice like this. So now it's ready, and after this I'm going to put some mozzarella cheese. Like this. And then I'm going to put it like this, and I'm going to spread this butter on top of this bread. Okay, so now I'm going to heat up a pan. Now I'm going to put this bread in a pan. So leave it until the bread will be brown. So it will take 2 to 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Now I'm going to put some butter on top of this bread. Okay. this. And then I'm going to flip it. See, look at that. Okay, now you can see the color. It looks really good and looks really brown color. Now I'm going to here and then turn the gas off, and then you can see here. Can see it's really cheesy bread. This is how it looks like. If you liked my recipe, thank you for your time, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share it, and you can comment it as well, and as well as don't forget to hit the bell icon. So see you next time. Bye bye.